Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. How many of you people are excited? How many people are actually in a lot of depression? I don't know. But the thing is that there are some people who are enjoying the market. We may see Pepe trying to move back up, and that is going to be maybe to retest this broken trend line. So we may actually see 1063, which is going to be a relief. But then again, not a relief for you to enter, maybe a relief for you to actually drop down. Now, there are so many checks with a pattern, and I want to talk about some different checks. So if you learn about maybe right angle ascending broadening wedge, normally what wedges do is that they say that in 60% of cases, an ascending broadening wedge is achieved when the support line is broken. So 60% of the time, it goes down to the technical target, which is 618, right? 60% chance. Now, there are, I think, this is going to be in the 60% chance where you actually go down. Another thing is that in 21% of the cases, and this is the main point, the price makes a pullback into the resistance of the wedge itself, okay? And yes, 21% of the time you will make a move to the upside. And that's why I say, people normally ask me, Atom Coins, why do you say that maybe this is going to happen, maybe that's going to happen? Why don't you tell us a very clear answer? You see, the thing is, it's not even Atom Coins, it's actually the statistic of a certain particular chart. You can see the numbers are right in front of you. In 80% of the cases, this is exit bearish, okay? So that means if you see a pattern like this, it's bearish, exit. Get the hell out of it, all right? Thing is that you have a 20% chance based on the statistic that you're going to move back up to retest that resistance and actually fall down. Now, how many chances do you have to really break above? Maybe 10, maybe 15, it does exist. But then again, you are hoping, based on an educational point of view, that this is going to drop down. So basically, Pepe can actually just drop all the way to the downside without doing any retest. That means 79% of the chance is that you are just going to go down without ever giving opportunity to someone who wants a retest and then just drop down from the current point and go all the way to 600. Let's see on this on the 1 hour time frame if you have any bear flag or some sort of another pattern which we can make some better decisions. So I think, maybe after all you're not looking for a move back up. Right? Because if this is a bear flag getting printed out, that means that as long as you're not going to break above the flag itself and go up, if you do break below the flag, then they will push it even further down. And maybe here you have a chance, maybe you have the chance to actually get 785. Maybe you can actually try to get the trade, maybe put a stop at 960. That's a 4.7% risk, and then you have a 14% coming in. Not just 14% coming in, but the whole target is actually down for a 33%. So yeah, that's your call. Do whatever you want to do. Do you want to learn more? Because all of this I go into the details of each pattern for 19 hours long trading course I have for you. Why not learn? If you're investing $5,000, $10,000, I do have something that I have created, learning for the past 6 years for $249. I can even give you for $200 if you pay with USDT. Message me on Discord if you want to get it, if you're serious about learning. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.